I've introduced a couple of changes in Stella 3.7 that make it somewhat easier to work with arrays. I'm going to demonstrate both of these in this very small model. The first applies to using the non-A to A equation editor, and typically we would use that in the form of the dialog here that opens up and allows us to edit all the elements. So suppose that I wanted to use the A value for everything that was A. So I do A under value. And it would ask me for specific elements, but instead of that, I can use place, the name of the array, the second array element in AB, in the AB value. Similarly, for B, I can use B under value. And again, this would be by place. And I close that, and I get a valid equation. A is 100, 200, 300. B is 10, 20, 30. AB is the same set of values, except one below the other. Now, ABC depends on the AB value and the C value, and I could use the same approach that I just used with AB value, but there's another change that we put in that is basically a contains concept. And it says if AB, and there's a kind of hint for contains ABC, then the AB value, ABC place, again using subranges in this case, else the C value, which is only arrayed by place in this case. And just to make it a little clearer what that means, is that if the subrange AB contain, it reads somewhat backwards from it. So if the current element of ABC is something that the subrange AB contains, then we use the AB value from ABC in place. Again, since AB is a subrange of ABC, I can use ABC here and know that it will use the values from AB. Otherwise, it will use the value from C. And again, if we hover over the values, we see we get the A, the B, and now the C values coming in at 1, 2, 3. So these are relatively small changes to the way arrays can be used, but they actually can really help in making a model a little more compact and easier to work with, and also more maintainable. This small model is available as a link associated with this video.